Namaste viewers, Hare Krishna. Welcome once again to MK Chastrovastu channel. So we are running for a part 3 of video, that is for a simple Rashi predictions for May 2020. So far in part 1 we have covered from the Mesha Rashi to Kataka Rashi, that is Aries sign to Cancer sign. In part 2 we have covered from the Simha Rashi to the Vrushchika Rashi, that is a Leo sign to Scorpio sign. So in a part 3 we are covering for a last set of a series, that is from a Dhanasu Rashi to Meena Rashi, that is the Sagittarius sign of Sagittarius to the sign of Pisces. So I welcome viewers, our MK Chastrovastu viewers and our Facebook viewers also who are watching our channel regularly, Sri Manjunath Astrology Vastu and Yoga Zone channel. So viewers, stay tuned for another couple of minutes. Watch this video completely. Who belongs to these Rashis? So take a benefit of this video. So let us not making any much delay. Let us move further here. I want to share my screen for the viewers' reference. So first let us see what are the prediction for the sign of Sagittarius or Dhanusu Rashi here. What is the main important and the basic things here about the Dhanusu Rashi and the predictions for these things? So viewers, here what is let us see what are the basic parameters important for you people. You people, Sagittarius having the special qualities. The 3 stars, 3 nakshatras involved in the Dhanusu Rashis are the Mula Nakshatra, Purva Ashada Nakshatra and the Uttara Ashada Nakshatras. And the special nature for you people, you belongs as it is the symbol. So just there is a horse and man holding the archery and hitting the target here. And your Rashi Lord tends to be the planet Jupiter, and it is your is a fiery sign, and east direction is very lucky for you people. And the important thing for you people, the main thing, you belongs to the Kshatriya Varna. That is the main thing, and you tends to be some sort of a correlator with respect to Rashi predictions here. And in natural zodiac, it is a representation of a thigh part, and the lucky stones tends to be the yellow sapphire for you people. Lucky colors tends to be the yellow and the red. And the lucky days are the Thursdays and the Sundays, and the lucky gods tends to be the Mahavishnu. The lucky numbers are 1, 3, 4, 5. Lucky dates are 3, 12 and 21, and 30 also is lucky date for you people. The friendly sign for you people tends to be Mesha and Simha Rashi. Inimical signs are Kataka, Vrushchika and Meena Rashis. And the special nature for you people, that is you are very independent thinker and you tend to be very knowledgeable person and you are very polite person and you are very thinking nature, as I told, independency and creative thinking. And negativity is some sort of thing. There is a lack of goal oriented lack. You tend to lose the interest after some time, and more confidence tends to some sort of a negativity. Let us see what is stored for May 2020 for you people. So May month, the planetary positions are like this, and in your Rashi only, Ketu is sitting over there, and for your second sign, there tends to be 3 planets, that is a Jupiter, Saturn, and the Mars. And in our 5th house, there tends to be a planet Mercury and the Sun over there, and 6th house is a Venus. Rahu is situated in the 7th house. So as usual, we are seeing splitting the Rashi predictions into 2 parts, simple as that. From 1st of 15 to May, you will enjoy the comfortableness from the who are from the administrative side, and there will be some sort of a quarrel in your family. Be careful, and you tend to hear some good news from your children's side, and there will be a help from your fatherly paternal side, and be careful. There will be some sort of negativity, longevity issues with your brothers or sisters, and whoever purchase the land or property in this month, they can lead to litigation, and there is a traveling involved for those matters. and helpful from the spouse, and whoever having the jewelry shop, there will be a good time for you people. And whoever the student side, they will get some sort of a mental imbalances, and they will have more mood swings this month. So this is overall the plus or minus period for you people. The simple remedy tends to be worship Lord Ganpati will give you the positive results. And next second half period, that is May second part, it is tend to be there will be a pain on the side from the neck region and shoulder region, so be careful. And there will be some sort of a discomfort to your body. And some there will be whoever on the construction side, whoever constructed the home, there is a chances of standing that home in between only. And some sort of financial problem for you people. And whoever doing the businesses, there will be a pressure. So that is the thing. And the positive note is whoever having the children side, they will hear some good news. And whoever doing the businesses, there will be a fear from the black magic side. Be careful about it. And the simple remedy for you people is do worship Lord Vigneshwara, that is Lord Ganpati, on daily basis. Please remove some sort of negativity. So viewers, let us move for the next important sign, that is Capricorn, Makar Rashi. For Makar Rashi, tends to be very special. It is with the 3 nakshatras in your Rashis only, that is Uttarashada, Shravana and Kanishta nakshatras, very special nakshatras. And the symbol tends to be the crocodile, and the Rashadipati, the Lord is Shani, that is the planet Saturn here. And you belongs to the Bhutattva, means the sign, the quality. And the south direction is lucky for you people, and you belongs to Vaishyavarna. You belong very smooth in nature. And the lucky gemstone is a sapphire, that is a blue sapphire. And the lucky colors mentioned the blue and the white. And the lucky days for you people are the Saturdays and Fridays. And the Adrushta Devata, lucky god, is Lord Anjaneya Swami and Lord Shaneshwara. And the Adrushta means the lucky numbers for you people is a 6, 7, 8 numbers. And the Adrushta Dinanka, the lucky dates for you people 8, 17 and 26. And the friendly signs is the Aquarius sign. Enemy signs tends to be the Simha Rashi, and special nature for you people. We are very well organized people. You tend to have a lot of plannings, and you are too practical person here. And you tend, whatever you do the works with a lot of hard work, hard labor, you are putting for the work, and you make the Mr. Perfect works. That is the positive thing. And you are always argumentative with the things, because more argumentative, more experience, more knowledge about the work, this tends to be a positive note. On negative side, there will be some sort of, you tend to not believing the persons very easily. You tend to make a suspicious doubt person, and some sort of way more very the things like you are very peculiar about the things. You put on anything, you are very peculiar, specific about the things. Let us see what is the stored for May 2020 predictions for you people. The important thing, this is the Graha Gochara, Graha Sthiti. The planet Mars and Rashadipati Shani, and the planet Jupiter is in your first house only, and the Lord Sun and Mercury is in a 4th house, and Venus is in a 5th house, and Rahu tends to be in a 6th house, and Ketu is in your 12th house. So this Graha Sthiti makes you this sort of nature. So whoever traveling for a long planning, traveling something in the world, you hears you good news, and there will be some sort of negativity from your speech. Please control on your speech, and you will feel there is a misfortune for you people, and there will be a lot of stress for you people, as Shani is there. And be careful about longevity issues also, and something you remove frustration on your wife. Be careful about that one. And people who are already having the black magic effects and all those things, they are going to suffer continuous. And so who are having the land, real estate, they will get gains from this. So simple remedy for this: worship Lord Mahavishnu will tends to give the good sort of help for this month. And the next thing, from the 16th of May to 31st of May, whoever having the tougher times, they will get a help from your father's side, and you will get good gains from the female side also. But it may lead to some quarrelsome. Be careful about that, and there will be bodily pain. That is the thing. And whoever having the student side will be in a confusion. We don't be in confusion, and some sort of non-coordinal relationship in the love matters. And whoever having running the jewelry, that is a good time for you people. And worshipping Lord Dhanvantari tends to be very good for you people. So moving forward, the Kala Purushas, the 11th sign, the important one, that is the Aquarius side. Aquarius side tends to be very important. Let us see the image first. So here Aquarius sign is a very important one, as you are seeing in a image. The three important nakshatras, that is the Dhanishta, Shatavisha and the Pura Bhadra nakshatra, comes in Aquarius. And as usual, you are seeing the symbol. There is a pot who is holding the water, and we don't know it is an empty pot or full of water pot. So that is a secretive kind of thing. And Rashtradipati, as usual, the planet Saturn here. So, and it is a Sthira Rashi, and the west is the good direction for you people, Shudra Varna, and the cruel kind of nature. And in natural zodiac, it represents your feet, and the lucky stones are the blue sapphire, and lucky colors tends to be the blue and the white. And lucky days for you people is Saturdays and Fridays. And Adrushta Devata is a Lord Saturn only. Lucky numbers tends to be 3, 4, 6, 8. Lucky dates are 8, 17 and 26. And the friendly sign for you people are the Vrishabha, Makara and the Meena Rashis. Enemical signs tends to be Mesha, Kataka, Simha Rashi. The special thing for you, you are very truth-oriented persons, and you are very believable persons. And you have very sensitive kind of nature, smooth nature, and negativity. Sometimes you are very unstable with the mind. Your mind is so much roaming, and you take a quick decision. This is some sort of negativity. Let us move what is stored for you in May 2020 prediction. There the grass cities are the planet Ravi and Buddha, means the Sun and the Mercury is in your third house reverse, and planet Venus, your Yoga Karaka planet, is in a fourth house, and planet Rahu is in a fifth house. And the sign Ketu, the planet Ketu is in a ninth house, and Guru, Shani, Mangala, these planets stands in your Vaya Bhava 12th house. And this Ketu, sorry, I told Ketu is the ninth, Ketu is in our 11th house. So first May, here it is from 1st of 15th May. Your spouse tends to suffer with the health matters, and there will be some sort of kidney sort of issues. Be careful about that. And whoever in a workplace, they will get to 10 increment, and you will get the praisings from your higher ups, and you will get the help from the political persons also, and you will get the good gains from your father-in-law also. The main thing, you will have whoever waiting for the marriages. This is a good time for you people. And whoever for these Kumbha Rashi people, their children is having good yoga in the teaching, means in the education field. They will blossom up very well. And simple parihara, means simple remedy for this month, is the worshipping Lord Mahalakshmi, and chanting the Mahalakshmi Ashtottara gives you very good result. So let us see viewers, next half of the May, that is from 16th to 31st May. So here, as I told, there will be the discontinue, ill health for your spouse continues. Be careful about that one. But you will get good gains. Incoming gains will be good. Don't worry. It will be things will fall in place. And who are in a business, they will get enough number of opportunities there. And who are running for educational institutes, they will get good improvements. And you will tend to purchase some sort of luxurious things this month. And some simple remedy for you people is worshipping Sri Suktam is very good. So last but not least, the important one Rashi, the Meena Rashi, the Pisces sign. So Pisces here is very important people belonging to the three important sort of nakshatras, that is Purva Bhadra, Uttara Bhadra and Revati nakshatras. So here as you are seeing in the image, it is a coiled kind of fishes, it is like coiled nature. So it is having the two fishes seeing in a continuous clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Here your Rashi Lord tends to be the planet Jupiter and it is a watery sign. And your lucky directions tends to be the north direction. You are a Brahmana Varna and you are very smooth natured one. And in Kala Purusha natural zodiac, it shows your feet. And the Rashi Ratna means the lucky stone for you people is the yellow sapphire. The lucky colors tends to be the yellow and the green. And the main thing, Adrushta means Adrushta Devata is the lucky god, tends to be Lord Mahavishnu. Lucky numbers tends to be 3, 5, 7, 9, and the lucky dates are 3, 12, 21, and 24 people. And the friendly signs for you people is Kataka Rashi. And Vrishchika Rashis for you people are the Mesha, Sima and Dhanusu Rashis. And the speciality for you people, you are very spiritual person and you are very emotional and you have very knowledgeable and you are very creative with respect to your work. Negativity tends to be sometimes you tries to be impatient and sometimes you tends to be not aware of the things. This can lead to some sort of a negativity. So let us see what are the things saved for you in the month of May. The Graha Sthiti, Graha positions are like this. That is the planet Sun and the Mercury is in our second house. The planet is Venus is in our third house. Rahu tends to be in a Chaturtha Bhava, fourth house. The planet Mars, the Rashadipati, Jupiter, and the Saturn tends to be in our Labha Bhava, 11th house. We were so far, this gives the first May to 15th May results will be, you tend to learn from the scripture, you get the interest to learn the scriptures, and this will enhance your the already knowledge which you are having. And your spouse will balance the home environment, because spouse, the wife is important in anyone's life. The three people which are doing the selfless love are the father, mother and the spouse, that is wife. Those are coming to the end of the life. So that is apart from this video, that is apart thing, but I am telling with the Rashi predictions coverage. So let us do a separate video for that. So moving forward, whoever having leftover works, because might be leftover the houseworks due to Corona days, many imbalances in the overall world. Whoever having the leftover houseworks, the houseworks which are leftover will be resumed for this month. So some sort of a black magic tend to happen for this Rashi. Be careful about that. Due to that, some sort of ill health you are going to suffer. Be careful. Don't eat outside. Don't eat in a relative's house. Be careful about that one. Do protect about yourself. And whoever running the stationery and computer related businesses having very good incomes, and whoever doing the education field, they will not have a very good period. And for negativity things, you worship Lord Durga will give you very good results. And from second half, that is from 16th of 31st May, here whatever that suffering from the financial situation is there, and there will be problems from your lenders also, and there will be orthopedic issues, the feet issues and joint issues. Be careful. And there will be some sort of not cordial relationship with your friends. There will be some sort of irritation, and your own people will behave as a stranger. So be careful. Own means your friends, family. So, and there will be careful when you are working in the fire in the sense, in giving small session who are being falling ladies who are cooking also. Be careful about that one. And there will be enough opportunities for new business persons here, and but as a whatever that it is called as teenagers, or the whoever the elder teenagers, more than the teenagers, they will having youngsters, they will be having not their mental state is very low, might be the karma issues are outside, but the graha positions are like this. And so for politicians who are with the Meena Rashis, they will be some sort of a negativity, they will get some not a good with some sort of a statement, they are going to suffer. So be careful about that, viewers. Don't worry. And the thing is like some mix up result for you people, and just worship Lord Parvati Devi, do puja of Parvati Devi, give you the good result. So for viewers, in this video we have covered up all the 4 major rashis. So thanks for watching this video completely. Stay tuned with our channel, like our channel. And one more note, you can like our Facebook page with the above link which I have given in the starting of video. There will be a daily live program which we will give their free consultation from daily. It's running from Sunday to Friday 8 to 8:30, which is Saturday seems to be holiday there, but you will get all the predictions free over there. So stay tuned our channel, click on the bell icon to receive all the day-to-day notifications. Your always valuable comments are always welcome in the comment section. So we will meet in a next further more episodes. Thank you viewers. Namaste. Hare Krishna.